Hello guys, this is Chinmay from Oxy Ultimate. In this video, I am showing you how we shall use the WC product tabs in accordion style component. Actually, this component is replacing the default product tab to accordion mode. So here I build a single product details page, and this component only work for single product details page. So basic idea is we shall replace this tab style to accordion mode. So at first I am removing the tab widget. Next I am adding my product tabs in accordion component. Okay, I am placing it here. Okay, basic settings is coming like this. Here the option is expand the first item. By default it is yes. If you want, you can hide the first item also, so you can just select the no, and it will not show on first page load options. Now I am enabling the default options. Okay, here we shall style the tab title. So I shall set up the default state. You can select the font family, set up the font size. Okay, color is something like this. Tab background color. Okay, I shall go like brown color. We can also add the border color, title spacing. Okay, right. Next we can also add the gap between the tabs like 0 or 20. You can see the gap. I am adding the 0. Next we can set up the hover state like background color. This and border color as it is, and active state we can set this. Okay, next we can style the headings like this heading. So size is 20 or 24. Next we can add some color. Okay, next is the content area. This is the content area. We can add some padding. Also add some background and select the typography for content area. Okay, setting the colors, line height. Okay, content border setting. Okay, we can also style the additional information section like typography. Okay, and value typography like green. Okay, next we can style the review section like background. Next, some border color. Solid, tool, dash, anything. Add border radius like this. Adding some style for submit button. Here it is. So basically in this component we can add the accordion style with some basic CSS styles. Now I am saving the page and looking the content. So this is the front-end design. This is the hover state. Here, this is the okay. So this is the functionality of WC product types in accordion style component.